Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Cause of death of snake bite is mainly by the paralysis of the respiratory muscle. Fatal dose and fatal period. The fatal dose of crate is for 6 milligrams and fatal period is 18 hours. For saw-scaled viper, fatal dose is 8 milligrams and fatal period is 1 to 2 days. For cobra, fatal dose is 12 milligrams and fatal period is 30 minutes to 6 hours. For Russell's viper, fatal dose is 15 milligrams and fatal period is 1 to 2 days. Diagnosis.
thank you and thank you for watching.